Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are actually on Tezos. So last night we had a stream, we analyzed Tezos already, so I just wanted to make a sideways video for again, because I do think it's a good trade. It is a trade that usually plays out 70% of the time. It's a really strong one in this particular section. The only issue I have with this trade is the current stance of the Bitcoin, right? Which if you haven't seen the stream, go check it out, because we did analyze Bitcoin in depth and we found out some capabilities of what's gonna happen, or what can happen. Should I express myself like that, in the future for Bitcoin, and how the price action should react, and what really we should see above it for us that would be good for alts and everything else, right? So yes, if Bitcoin is gonna act up, this trade is gonna be lost, right? So yes, we already canceled the last night trade on Matic just because it is too exposed to Bitcoin at the moment, right? So we pulled it off on our 4C channel. And now today we're actually located on Tezos, and I do think this trade, like I said again, it's about 70% hit ratio for it to play out. So yes, I am excited about this trade, but because Bitcoin standing like that, it can get wrecked. So the trade is like this, right? So this is our buy area. It goes from 3.5 to 3.3, so it's not that wide as it usually is. It's a pretty normal sized buy area, with our stop being at around 9.3%, right? So our stop is right under this. And what does make this trade so good is actually on larger time frames, it is quite nice, because we just broke out through a heavy resistance. It was on Tezos, right? So Tezos is not particularly an old coin. It's been around for like a year or something, but their tech is really impressive. And a lot of people that I know, a lot of big investors, they actually have it for a long-term investment, right, in their portfolios, and they're really they're quite excited about it, right? So in this case, it has support from community as well. So a trade like this could even add a little bit more spice to it, right? It could be even more successful or accurate than it already is, right? But just based off price action, it's a really nice and strong spot that it should definitely hold, and most of the time it will hold if the BTC won't do anything funny, right? So the first profit target, I'm gonna put it on the first trouble area, which is actually conjugates with the previous top of the previous created top before everything broke down, right? So now this would be the first profit target, where it's gonna be again challenged. If it's gonna come here, the price is gonna come here, it's gonna challenge this price, and if it breaks above, we have a really good chance of breaking this top as well, right? But I'm gonna take my second profit target, either though, as I said, we already have good chances of breaking the top, right? But I'm still gonna place it over here, because this is actually the last part of the chart when we see something to the left, right? Everything above this, we are actually pretty blind, right? So this profit target, yes, I did set it up. I set it up with the help of a Fibonacci, right? Which is not the strongest target, because basically it is sort of an indicator, right? Indicator based, which is not exactly what I like to do, right? I do like to keep it price action based. But I do actually recommend people, for anybody that's going to indulge into this trade, that you just follow the trade with your stop loss, right? So follow the structure as they go, you follow it with your stop loss, and you don't move it too soon, right? It has to develop a full structure, react from it, and break the top before you can move the stop loss from one point to another, right? Also, I gotta warn you guys, this trade is, I know we usually take trades for 1%, right, 1% risk, but this time around, this trade is a little bit more risky, right? Not only did we already reacted from this point, right, we failed just a little bit above the target, now going back for a fill, right? So yes, this area, even though it has to hold for us to continue higher, it is kind of getting into sort of a yikes territory as well, right? It's not as prime as it should be, right? So this, in my book, this is not a 1% risk trade. This is more like 0.5% risk trade in my books right now. So you got to be really careful when it comes to it, right? And we do hope it's gonna play out, right? So yeah, if you want to see more about this, how we're gonna move stop losses on this trade and all that, you can always join us as for 4C community telegrams, right? We are always posting about trades, stop losses, and everything there. Also, if you want to see more videos about this, punch that bell button, right, and you will get a notification each time a new video is uploaded, which is usually pretty daily. We upload every day of the week except Sunday, right? Sunday we do take time off, and mostly, Forex don't even work on Saturday as well, but crypto is 24/7. I'm aware of that, but there's not much volume going around Sunday, so it's not really that bad. So we let it out, right? So yes, and I guess we will be seeing each other on the next one.